Hi guys, welcome to my new video that is day trading techniques. This video is for who are new to trading and don't know about trading and who are interested day trading is a part-time or full-time profession. So I thought to make video for who are interested in day trading and know more about day trading. After watch this video, I sure you can know basics of day trading with some techniques. To introduce myself, I am Sanjeev, a trader, investor and trainer in stock market. At the starting when I have no knowledge about stock market and trading, I had lost lots of money. So proper knowledge about stock market and trading is more important. What is intraday trading? Intraday trading is the buy or sale of selected stocks or indexes in the same day. That means within the trading time of that day, that is 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. If intraday traders buy a stock and it goes up, then make money, and if sell a stock and it goes down, then make money. Suppose you buy one share of a stock at price 100 rupees and the stock goes up by 5 rupees, that is the stock price moves to 105, then your profit amount is 5 rupees. If you sell one share of the same stock and it goes down 5 rupees, that is the stock price moves to 95, then your profit amount is 5 rupees. But how to know when to know which stock or index will go up or down? Then one should have good knowledge of technical analysis and price action. Not only good knowledge, proper good knowledge required for this. Many traders have used their own trading setup. Some new traders have used technical indicators like VWAP, MACD, RSI, Bollinger Band, etc. For their trading, there are hundreds of technical indicators. Some traders are only option sellers. They sell options based on option Greeks, that is delta, beta, gamma, theta, etc. The option selling is a very vast subject. You can know about this from option trading books, YouTube videos, or attending seminars or webinars. Some traders are only option buyers. They buy options based on option chains, open interest data, call put ratio, etc. Some are pure price action traders like me. I am a price action trader who trades patterns, that is previous day low and high, pivot range, demand zone and supply zone, etc. I have follow chart patterns and setup and some technical indicators like moving averages, ADX, ATR. I have trade only options in Nifty and Bank Nifty indexes due to volatility which needs day trader. Charting platform and broker for day trading. Before starting trading, you have to know charting software and which broker to choose. So there are a lots of charting software, but my favorite is TradingView. I use TradingView charting software for my day trading. In TradingView, you can set up your own customizing setup, that is, you can set your own indicator. It is very easy and user friendly. There are hundreds of broker in India, but one should need to choose a discount broker. The discount brokers have low brokerage compared to other broker. Some of good discount brokers in India for day trading are Zerodha of Stock Fires. I use Zerodha discount broker. Why many traders are not success in day trading? As per research, it says 90 to 95% of traders fail in stock market and only 5 to 10% traders successful. So, what is the reason? Why most of the traders fail in stock market? Most of the traders fail due to three reasons. First, lack of good back-tested strategy. Day trading requires a very good back-tested strategy. Many new traders lack of good day trading strategy and they depend on the only lagging technical indicators for buy or sell signals. The lagging indicators give signal late than leading indicators. So need to use leading signals like pivot. Second, strict risk management. Risk management and position sizing is the next most important. Risk management is all about knowing how much to take risk in each trade and understanding understanding the right position size in every trade. Means before taking a trade you have to know how much risk you take, that is how much loss you take. The loss should not be more than 1% of your capital in trading day. If the risk is more than your size, means number of lots or shares should be half. If risk is low, then your size of lots of shares remains same. The position sizing is based on your capital. Third and most important is trading psychology. Not able to handle greed, fear and emotions while trading. It is very common. Most of the new traders lost their money due to the emotion, greed and fear. Trading psychology in day trading. Revenge trading, novice traders or new trader should restrict revenge trading due to frustration when losses in previous trades. If in your previous trade the stop loss is hit, then you need to wait for right trading setup or patterns to come as per your trading plan. If the setup will show, then only you take the trade, otherwise don't take any trade. For that it says that no trade also is also a trade. You are save your losses. Some other mistakes by novice traders are FOMO, that is fear of missing out, means if someone missing the right setup, after that take a trade is a FOMO. You need to wait for right setup or pattern. Overtrading is the taking more trades like 10, 15 or more than 20 trades in a day. Then you need to pay more brokerage charges. You need to take a maximum of 2 to 3 trades a day with right trading setup in the initial stage. After 1 or 2 years, you can increase to 3 to 5 trades in a day, not more than that. What is risk management in day trading? Setting your stop loss before you entering a trade. First thing you need to ask, where is my stop loss? No trader in this world who never loses in trading. But loss should be minimum and profit should be maximum. If you take 50 trades in a month, there will be a 10 to 15 trades in loss. But due to stop loss, the loss is minimum and overall profit is more. So stop loss is very important in trading. So never trade without fixed risk reward in each trade. The minimum risk reward should be 1:2. That means you, if your risk is 500 rupees in a trade, then reward should be minimum 1000 rupees. Then how to know your risk? It's 1% of your total capital of trading for you use in one trade. If you have 1 lakh capital, then your risk per trade is 1000 rupees and reward should be minimum 2000 rupees. Never average your losing trades. If your stop loss hit, then immediately exit your trades. You can average your trades in winning trades. If trade goes against you, means you're against your pattern. If your stop loss hits, then you should immediately exit your trades. Learn and understand position sizing in day trading. You need to know how many lots or stocks you are going to trade before punching your trade. Learn and understand position sizing in day trading. You need to know how many lots or stock you are going to trade before punching your trade. There are the important points to know before you enter the trading. My day trading setup or pattern. A trader should have day trading setup or pattern or strategy. My day trading is based on pivot combined with price action, which is giving me consistent result. I am using 8 EMA, that is exponential moving average, 20 EMA and ADX indicators on my chart. I am using 5-minute time frame for day trading. Some traders are used 3 minute and some are used 15 minutes time frame. Nothing is wrong, but you need to practice in a particular time frame. This is my trading setup in TradingView platform, which is a free platform. The orange color mark is previous day high and low mark, which is automatically plotted for next day. The three parallel lines are CPR, central pivot range. This also automatically plot for next day. In this also R1, R2, R3 and S1, S2, S3 pivot lines. The red color is 20 EMA and blue color is 8 EMA. The below indicator is ADX line. If you want to reach me, email me on this, call or WhatsApp me on this number, and also you can follow me on Twitter handle @Sanjeev 2008. So this is my contact details. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you again in next video.